Welcome to our roundup of the top best smart humidifiers for 2025. In today's world, humidifiers are smarter and more convenient than ever, making it easier to maintain the ideal humidity for a healthier, more comfortable home. Whether you're looking to ease dry skin, improve air quality, or even enhance your sleep, these smart humidifiers can do it all with a touch of technology. From app controls and voice command compatibility to advanced features like automatic humidity sensors and aromatherapy options, these devices bring both convenience and wellness into your daily routine. We've reviewed and handpicked the best options, covering everything from compact models for smaller spaces to powerful units that keep larger rooms perfectly balanced. So, if you're ready to boost comfort and air quality with a touch of innovation, stay tuned as we dive into the best smart humidifiers you can buy in 2025. Let's find the perfect match for your smart home setup. Number 5. Levoit Dual 200S Smart Humidifier. The Levoit Dual 200S Smart Humidifier is a compact powerhouse that brings convenience and efficiency to home air care. Designed for smaller spaces, it's perfect for bedrooms, nurseries, or offices, delivering a fine mist that keeps the air comfortably humid. What makes this model stand out is its smart functionality. Using the V-Sync app, you can control the humidifier remotely, set schedules, or even monitor the humidity levels in real time. Plus, it's voice assistant compatible, so you can manage it hands-free with Alexa or Google Assistant. With a 3-liter tank, it provides up to 25 hours of continuous mist on a low setting, and it's whisper quiet, making it ideal for uninterrupted sleep. Its TopFill design makes refilling a breeze, while its built-in humidistat helps maintain your desired humidity level. Sleek, modern, and user-friendly, the Levoit Dual 200S combines high-tech features with practical design, making it a solid choice for smart home enthusiasts. Number 4. Homedics Total Comfort Deluxe Ultrasonic Humidifier. The Homedics Total Comfort Deluxe Ultrasonic Humidifier is a fantastic pick if you're looking for both style and functionality in your humidifier. This sleek device uses ultrasonic technology to quietly produce a fine, cool mist that quickly balances dry indoor air, which is perfect for improving comfort in bedrooms, living rooms, or home offices. One of its standout features is the dual mist options, giving you both cool and warm mist to choose from, depending on your needs and the season. It has a generous tank capacity, providing up to 85 hours of runtime, which means fewer refills and uninterrupted humidity. Plus, with its built-in essential oil tray, you can add aromatherapy into your space, giving it a spa-like vibe. The digital display and remote control make it super easy to adjust settings, and the built-in humidistat lets you monitor and maintain your ideal humidity level. If you're after a reliable, feature-packed humidifier with a modern design, the Homedics Total Comfort Deluxe is worth considering. Number 3. Vicks 3-in-1 Sleepytime Humidifier. The Vicks 3-in-1 Sleepytime Humidifier is a fantastic choice for creating a calm, comfortable environment, especially in bedrooms or nurseries. This humidifier combines soothing mist, soft lighting, and aromatherapy for a full sleep-enhancing experience. It's built to add moisture to the air with a cool mist, which can relieve dry skin and reduce irritation caused by dryness, especially during colder months. What makes the Sleepytime special is its built-in projector, which casts gentle, starry night lights onto the ceiling, creating a relaxing atmosphere for kids or anyone looking to unwind. Additionally, it includes a VapoPad slot, so you can add Vicks-scented pads for that classic, comforting vapor to help with congestion relief. With a straightforward design and easy-to-fill tank, it's simple to use and maintain. The Vicks 3-in-1 Sleepytime Humidifier is more than just a humidifier, it's an all-in-one sleep aid, bringing together comfort, aromatherapy, and gentle light for a restful night's sleep. Number 2. Carepod One Humidifier. The Carepod One Humidifier is a sleek and hygienic solution for anyone serious about indoor air quality. This minimalist, stainless steel humidifier is designed with cleanliness in mind, making it easier to keep mold and bacteria at bay compared to traditional plastic models. It boasts a 3-liter tank, which provides up to 30 hours of continuous mist, making it ideal for overnight use or long days. One of the standout features of the Carepod One is its hospital-grade design, which simplifies cleaning, you can fully open and wash it to ensure the freshest mist. It operates whisper quiet, so it's perfect for bedrooms or workspaces where peace is a priority. Plus, with its single-button operation and no-nonsense design, it's as easy to use as it is effective. If you're looking for a stylish, no-fuss humidifier that prioritizes hygiene and performance, the Carepod One Humidifier is a standout choice in the world of air care. Number 1. Vicks EasyCare Plus TopFill Ultrasonic Humidifier. The Vicks EasyCare Plus TopFill Ultrasonic Humidifier is a simple yet effective solution for keeping indoor air comfortable and healthy. Its TopFill design makes refilling a breeze. Just pour water directly into the tank, eliminating spills and hassles. The ultrasonic technology delivers a cool mist that's ultra-fine and gentle, perfect for relieving dry skin and congestion during colder months or in air-conditioned spaces. With variable mist control, you can easily adjust the mist output to fit your comfort level, and the tank can run for up to 24 hours on a low setting, making it convenient for overnight use. This humidifier is also compatible with VapoPads, allowing you to add soothing Vicks Vapor scent to help ease breathing, which is a bonus for anyone prone to congestion or allergies. Compact and whisper quiet, the Vicks EasyCare Plus fits seamlessly into any room without being intrusive. For an easy-to-use, low-maintenance humidifier that provides both comfort and relief, this model is a top choice. Thanks for watching our Top Best Smart Humidifiers for 2025. We hope this guide helps you find the perfect humidifier to enhance your home's comfort and air quality. All the products featured in this video are available in the description below, so feel free to check them out. Don't forget to subscribe for more tech reviews and top product picks, and let us know in the comments which humidifier caught your eye. See you in the next video.